When I was Miss America, I would put on a full face of makeup every day. But when I'm in my hometown, I prefer a look that is fresh, fun, and natural. What does it mean to live boldly? I'm so excited to partner with Revlon in their Live Boldly campaign, and I want to encourage you all to live courageous lives. Be bold, be brave, be brilliant. Living in Arkansas has shaped me to be the person I am today. From healthy living to exploring the outdoors, experiencing the natural state has inspired me to create a look that is authentic and fresh, just like my hometown. Growing up, I was taught how to be strong and true to myself, and that made me bold enough to follow my dreams. So, living boldly means being true to your most authentic self. And for me, that's expressing my life loudly and colorfully through my art. Always living my best life. And that's how I live boldly.